obiara ni ma reho sama ato eye Ghana ma yesi ni papa entrance eye enche eye deputy minister of finance John Kuma wafiri mu ya obiara ti ni so akwentwa akra meguso a meti ni so because papa wo hwe niam na wo ye okumase wa na wo hwe nkrofo edi ebopu omu nsa go mu ti esu nkrofo mba school fees a wo tua wo firi mu na no odin na we nyina asa na wo we ba beba no ye nua be ma captain smart or tran wo nua tv ye anapa bia no aya captain trans in fact papa no wo ta de nsem papa otum se nsem na papa ne ka no so no emu odu captain smart e tran wo nua tv se ye mpp fo mpanifo no se si ade omo poison omo no bonkrofo miensa bi din a wo de ne nsa si ne bu se sankrofo no ya poison ba ko ye wuntumi eni owura John Kuma ne ba ko wo ka ho wo si ne bu se omo konhyem bi e wo tamale ye a confirm na ma ye de serve wo no poison ewo ho we ma okrani ensunu guyemo no so dia yeroho ni so abeti ni so se wono de woni mpase ni kunu na yare anase ho na emfa no problem na ni kunu wa film enti se captain abetena bontin aka say dia wasoma police force won kofa captain na won meye omfa na no yemra meyi na no sene ma poison ekoye se amba mpanifo anase Ghana penient mi omamu peni entimi anye ne saadia wono so obewo ne bapa na ne ba be kra ne se ne 6 match aso me ni me school for e komache wo eye 6 match ase no wono wonye bida anase ne baby be kra ne se mame afi o aso me kwa akoto aba menya 18 years anase me di se me kwa akoto aba ma sebi wo se me si John anase we no ensida o ma ne babia ensom Ghana nkasa de wo ma ne babia ensom Ghana ne ba wie school said den kra no so obey soldier police wono wo ma ne babia ensom Ghana me so ma yenko okunafo ho enkofa no num nsem emra sesia
say ampa ura John Kuma Johnny share somewhere 2005 so na maybe secondary school for kra 2005 na me share one crime specifically Malam Road Debiana me kwa adwuma SS ni ameye adwuma na ono so besina kwa na adwuma so awie university sa obesina kwa adwuma na ishia no sio mame mesika tofom no si gata ni mu fama me ti o fama me na mesindana sina me top plantain chips no se me to bi man na msio mesika ndi aka ni eje plantain chips na me wi na bi na wi obusa mi din ni baby amete sem so satam no naja enkra ha ma bedi pa na me hye ni baby te ti me kire me nyonko bi fie ampa ne kwasi adam hu na or the Bible shana motu mu a waba ho say or like after church you just want to come and say hi, and that's how our friendship began. Immediately now mommy who say he's going far and he really mean business with me. Not long after, him say exactly 1 year. Yeah, exactly 1 year after meeting, we got married. And we've been together for almost 18 years. Yeah, 18 years. So that's how we met. We met in Accra here, and it was love at first sight. He has been my mentor, my teacher, and we've been together, both good and bad times, even way before he became an active politician. I won't say politician because he has been a politician from school days, but actively, I think we were together when he had his first appointment from Honorable Alan John Martin. So that's how it began. We have been together since, until just this unfortunate weekend, Thursday.
So we've been told that when this sad incident happened, you were with him. If you could just paint a picture to the people of Ghana, the circumstances.
I wish I would not be asked to narrate this part, but yeah, He returned from Germany on Sunday. Monday he went to work, very strong and active. Tuesday he went to Parliament, but Tuesday he realized that he was not that strong. But he returned all the way from Germany just to attend the 6th March. So he was determined to be at Ajusu just to be part of the 6th March. I tried everything to discourage him, but once a soldier, always a soldier, madly in love with his country and what he is doing. So he left, and then I think Wednesday, and I called him on the voice, and sounded well on the phone. And I make a chance say, "On try so beba, Accra na on returning back to Germany." But I said no funny thing. So I decided to drive to Kumasi. So I drove to Kumasi. Unfortunately, me drove no more Thursday around 7:30. We drove on na my husband couldn't move. Na he didn't need ambulance. Until me pack me jam me car ne de ma me brothers say omo fambra na meeting ambulance nim. And pa meeting him he went this high and then gave me a thumbs up, which mostly a sign or yes sir, and actually say, "Oh, I'm in control, don't worry." That's I felt very relieved. Say, "Oh, you're okay." But yeah, nam quite so I'm saying tough. So around 11, I say rather he showed a sign of why he relieved the ankasa. But to turn in three, and then no sweaty earlier. No, I said there was no sweat, but I have a little medical background. Me share machinist, and who said no, things are dropping, and she didn't encouraging. Though the doctor, I was with the doctor, the personal doctor, and so on and so on, as well as the technicians in the ambulance. They were all trying to comport themselves, and no more yes, me move, but. As a pastor there, that time I was seriously praying, trusting God, said, but unfortunately, I'm say, that 11:35 now, the doctor raised the alarm and said, "No, you pay any nearby hospital, now you man for rest, now on to me mano, CPU and Saka, na ya tuaso." And now no saying constant oxygen now on shot. He wants to stabilize him. And the nearest hospital was Suhum. Yes, far. And I didn't rush Suhum. They promised to be Oma any delay at me. Say quickly they brought the oxygen. Doctors came out. Not long ago, no back me say the ambulance need in a buy, and you're strong. I say, so I should take another car, 9 Fanco. Now I'm the neighbor 37. I'm going to say no. And she done your story, Papa. It's not simple, but I'm say me who sign when I know what necessary. Actually say any panico. Finally, Doctor Negadakari no catch me say. They did their best, but
So this was about what time?
That's around 12:20.